Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I'm from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. 1950 Mumbai, 1951 Mumbai, quarter rupee, 200 rupees each. English legend, Calcutta Mint, Nehru, 200 rupees each. English legend, Mumbai Mint, 200 rupees each. Mahatma Gandhi, Mumbai Mint, 200 rupees each. Hindi legend, Mumbai Mint, 100 rupees each. Asian Games, Calcutta, BU, 200. 1965 Hyderabad Mint 10 paise, rare coin, 300 each. Both are same condition. Gromo Food, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 200. D Lion variety, rare, 2000 Mumbai Mint. 2004 Hyderabad Mint, 200 rupees each. 84 Mumbai, 85 Mumbai, set for 200 rupees. 84-85 set for 200 rupees. 1991 Hyderabad Mint, 1 rupee for 100 rupees. D Lion Calcutta Mint, Arabindo, only for 500 rupees. 2001 Noida Mint, National Integration, 100 rupees. Now this is all aluminium. Happy Child, Hyderabad Mint. So Happy Child from Hyderabad is very scarce. This extra fine condition, only for 300 rupees. Safe for Development, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 400. Plant Family, UNC, Mumbai, 200. Safe for Development, 10 paise, UNC, 400 rupees each. I have two. 1989, both are 89 only, 100 rupees for both. Equity Development, Mumbai Mint, UNC, 300. Happy Child Nation's Pride, BU condition, Hyderabad Mint, 500 rupees. Food and Shelter, Mumbai Mint, BU, 300. Two rare coin, World Food Day, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition. World Food Day, Calcutta Mint, UNC condition. Set for 1500 rupees. Both are for 1500. Very rare. 1975 Calcutta Mint, 10 paise, and 1976 scarce coin. Both set for 300 rupees. 75 and 76 set, 300 rupees. World Food Day, 1981 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 200. Sea Lion variety, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mumbai Mint. This is a scarce lion. Not so easily you get this lion, only for 400 rupees. Youth Year, Calcutta Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, 400 rupees. One more is there. This is 500 rupees. This is a full lion one. The lion fully printed. Most of the Calcutta one comes half lion printed. 2004 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, National Integration, This is a 300 written. I'll give for 200 rupees each. These are for 200 rupees each. Cellular gel, Noida Mint, very scarce coin, 400. Cellular gel, Hyderabad Mint, very scarce, 300. Tamil Conference, UNC condition, Hyderabad, 700. Very scarce, almost rare type coin. 1995, rare A lion. See the lion, it's a A lion, it's a rare lion, and a B lion. 94 B lion and 95 A lion. Together for 500 rupees. Set for 500 rupees. You can click the picture like this if you want. Tamil Conference and girl care for girl child, 700 rupees set. You can see the luster, 700 rupees a set. Mumbai Mint, both are Mumbai Mint. United Nation, AUNC condition, Noida Mint, very scarce, 400 rupees. These are some AUNC condition. Youth Year, 200. Kolkata Mint, UNC Water for Life, 200. Kolkata Mint, Bolu, AUNC, 100. Subhash Chandra, Noida, AUNC, 200. Rainfed Farming, Mumbai, 100. Aurobindo, Noida, 200. Sant Tukaram, Noida, 200. 2006, Noida, 200. Care for Girl Child, 200. Youth Year, Kolkata, 200. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, AUNC, Noida, 200. Aurobindo, Noida, 200. Supreme Court, 200 each. Sant Dhyaneshwar, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 200. Subhash Chandra Bose, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 600. 1984 BU condition, Hyderabad Mint, very scarce coin, 800 rupees. Fat lion variety, United Nation, Mumbai Mint. See the lion. $800 each, both for 1500 rupees. If you take both, 1500, 100 rupees discount. Dadabhai Naurodji, BU condition, Mumbai Mint, 400 rupees each. Black Beauty, Basaveshwar, Mumbai Mint, 400 rupees each. $1954 Kolkata Mint, half rupee, 300. Sant Dhyaneshwar, Noida Mint, UNC, 300. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, BU, Mumbai Mint, 300. You can see the lion here, D lion this is, and the other one I showed C lion. Subhash Chandra Bose, Hyderabad Mint, extra fine condition, 300. Care for Girl Child, Hyderabad Mint, extra fine condition, very scarce coin, 500 rupees. Check the mint mark. Ekam 21, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 500. Sant Tukaram, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, only 400. This is two set. This is a Hyderabad mint and this is Noida mint. Set for 300 rupees. Lal Bahadur Shastri BU condition, Kolkata mint. This is a single mint with rotation. You can see the rotation. Only for 500 rupees. 95 A lion, 94 B lion for 500 rupees. Set for 500 rupees. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj UNC condition, Noida mint, 300 rupees each. K. Kamaraj BU condition, Hyderabad mint, 400. Small farmers Hyderabad mint BU condition, 400 rupees. Maharana Pratap Mumbai mint UNC condition, 800 rupees. Youth Year Mumbai mint BU condition, 300. 70 and 71 Kolkata mint, 50 paise, 200 rupees set. Cellular Gel Mumbai mint UNC condition, 200. Noida mint Sant Tukaram UNC condition, 300 rupees each. Shama Prasad Mukherjee UNC condition, Hyderabad mint, 500 rupees with the ghost image. Tamil Conference, 2 rupees. This is a mule, 1 rupee die stamped on this. This 1 rupee, I'll show you. This die, this die is stamped on this 2 rupees. How you can make out? From there R is there, you can see curved R is there, and this round mark is here. This is for 400 rupees, and this is Sea Lion Agri Expo. This comes in A lion, but this is a mule, or you can call lion variety. This is Sea Lion, small lion. It comes in this lion. I'll show you the lion. See, this is the Agri Expo. This comes in this lion, but this is the Sea Lion. Only for 500 rupees, Sea Lion for Agri Expo. 500 rupees plus this die variety. If you want both, I'll give you for 500 rupees. Both mule. Very cheap I'm giving. Otherwise this single coin sells for 500 rupees. This is around 700-800 rupees. You can take both for 500 rupees. Food and Environment, Noida mint, only for 800 rupees. Water for Life and Tourism Year, UNC condition tourism year, very scarce coin. You can see 800 this is, and AUNC Hyderabad mint, tourism year with luster. You can see the luster. This is 500, but if you take both, set for 1000 rupees. You see, this is for 500. Water for Life is for 800. So how much is becoming? 1300, but the set is for 1000 rupees. You want single, you can take. Noida mint, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel with proper mint mark. Check the mint mark. All the values in this mint mark. only for 700 rupees. See the condition. The other one is there, AUNC type condition. This is for 1000 rupees. One is for 700. This is for 700. This is for 1000 rupees. 1950 Mumbai Mint UNC condition. Only for 1600 rupees. 1997 Hyderabad Mint. It's a rare coin. See the mint mark. UNC condition. It's not easily available, this coin. Only for 700 rupees. AUNC condition, Noida Mint, ILO, very scarce coin, only for 400 rupees. ILO UNC condition, Noida Mint, only for 800 rupees each. I have two. ₹800 each. 1959 Kolkata, 1959 Mumbai, 25 paise. This is a set for 500 rupees. Click the picture like this, set, and send me. This is a lion set, 1970 Mumbai Mint, 50 paise. This is a lion set. Big lion, you can check, and this is a small lion, only for 600 rupees set. And I have this double clip error, 2002 Mumbai Mint, very scarce in this clipping error. And this Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel single clip. Single coin if you want, 300 rupees each, both together 500 rupees set. Bolu, Noida Mint, sharp edge. You can see the edges. I am trying to show the sharp edge. Only for 500 rupees, normal coin price. Sharp edge, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Noida Mint. See the 11 pointed. 1 second, sorry. Legend also, you can check the legend, how clear the legend is. And see the mint mark. And see the edge. Only for 500 rupees. This is for 500. Tukaram, Noida Mint. This also sharp edge variety. It's not first strike. I'm just telling you all first only. It is a sharp edge. Some people get confused. It can say early strike also they call for this. See the legends, clear legends. Face, everything is clear. Mint mark. This is striked early. This is also for 500 rupees. And I have some 2 rupees. This is all Noida Mint, national integration. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coins are there. These all are sharp edge variety only, all are. You can see my camera is not focusing properly. I'm trying to show. See here. All these coins for only 1000 rupees. This 7 coin for, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coins are there. These 7 coins for only 1000 rupees. BU condition Madan Mohan Malia, Hyderabad Mint, rare coin only for 700 rupees. UNC condition Noida Mint, Tamil Conference. See the condition. Very difficult to get in UNC condition this coin. See the lion face, everything is printed. And see the legend. See the legend, everything is clear. Mint mark. Only for 4K, 4000 rupees. Very difficult to get UNC condition. See the face. 8th Tamil Conference. Agri Expo 1995 Kolkata Mint, UNC condition. Rare coin. Only 17 lakhs mintage. Sorry, 7. Check the lion. This is a full clear lion. Details are there. Otherwise this doesn't get printed in Kolkata Mint. This lion always flat. Book rate only 1500 rupees. You don't get also this coin so easily. Only for 1800 rupees. Rare coin. 1962 Queen. 1862 Queen. Silver coin. Only for 1600 rupees. Now silver price is going up. Very good to collect silver coins. BU condition Kolkata Mint. 25th years independence. See the condition. Luster. Only for 3000 rupees. BU condition Mumbai Mint. Same coin. 2800 rupees. (1968) Kolkata Mint, single mint coin. 200. 1957 Mumbai Mint, first 25 paise, 300 rupees. This is the first one in the nickel. 57 Mumbai Mint, 300. This also 57, 300 rupees. I have some 50 paise. 25 paise are not UNC. 1971 Kolkata Mint, 100 rupees. 1970 Kolkata Mint, 100 rupees. 1970 Mumbai Mint, 100 rupees. 1969 Mumbai Mint, 200 rupees. 68 Kolkata Mint, 200. 68 Mumbai, 200. 67 Mumbai, 200. 63 Mumbai, 200. 62 Mumbai, 200. 61 Kolkata, 200. 61 Mumbai, 200 rupees. And some 20 pieces are there. These are 88 Kolkata Mint, UNC condition. 50 rupees each. I have some, I think 20 or 30 I have. 20 I think I have. Yes, 20 coins I have. If someone want to take all. 50 rupees each. And friends, I have this 1995 to Noida Mint, 5 rupees. Set this is. 1995 to 2003. Set for 1000 rupees. 5 rupees coin set. All this condition only. 1000 rupees set. And this is a lot today's. This is Kolkata mint. This and this Kolkata mint, very scarce. You can see the condition. And this, all this is there, 2 rupees. And this is Noida mint, 5 rupees. All Noida mint. Mother Health. Sorry, some must be some other mint, but most of them all the Noida mint, I tell you. 50 United Nations. Mother Health is Noida mint. ILO. Only one, some are Hyderabad mint. And one Gandhi is there. This is 42, 5 rupees. And this much, 2 rupees and 1 rupees. This all this for only 3,200 rupees. Very scarce coins. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.